Alright guys, welcome. This is one of my best trading strategies on Binance Coin USD. So I make use of this on brokers. I also make use of it on exchanges, crypto exchange like Binance, Bitcoin, trading spot, crypto spot trading, and the future trading. So coming to brokers trading, this is how I make use of this particular strategy and trade and record massive profit. So what I want you to do is to do what, pay attention, understand every settings of this video. So like as I said, you need only one indicator to do what, to make massive profit. Right now, let me show you how to make use of this and record massive profit trading Binance Coin USD. Do you understand? Like as I said, you can use this strategy and trade it on broker. Also use this to trade future and the spot trading on crypto exchanges. Do you understand? So what I want you to do is to do what, pay attention, understand how the setup are being done. Do you understand? It's very simple and very lucrative. All right, now let me show you how to make use of this and record massive profits. Now you need only one indicator, CCI indicator. Like as I said, the time frame where this particular strategy works best is on 30 minutes time frame. Do you understand? All right, now let me show you how to make use of this strategy and record massive profits. I use it on brokers. I use it on crypto exchange for crypto spot trading and the future trading. That is Binance Coin USD. Right, pay attention. This is how it works. Now on my screen now you will see two sections: the indicator section and the chart section. Do you understand? Alright, so this is how to make use of this indicator and record massive profits. Now when the correction occur here, this is CCI correction. When the correction occur, the red line crosses the horizontal line from the side of CCI. If the correction is from up downward, that is a clear sell sign. So if the correction is from down upward, that is what a buy signal. Right, so on my screen now, this is a correction from up downward, so this is what a clear sell signal. So you make your sell entry from this point, make your sell entry from this point, place your stop loss at the previous low high, and this is what a huge profit for you to record as easy as that. Now like as I said, I make use of this strategy to trade on brokers. I also make use of this strategy to do what, do my analysis on MetaTrader 5 and execute my trade on crypto exchanges like Binance and the Bitcoin. That is for crypto spot trading and future trading. Do you understand? All right, so let's proceed. Now when the correction occur from down upward, that is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? All right, so on my screen now, this is a correction from down upwards. As you can see, the correction occur from down upward, so this is what a clear buy signal. Like those, for those trading future, this particular strategy will generate a lot of profit for you. All right, now let's proceed. Towards the end of the video, I will show you how to set up the indicator. Very simple and very lucrative. All right, now this is the correction from the side of a CCI indicator. Look at the point where the correction occur. My screen now, this is point where the correction occurs. So you make your buy entry at this point, and this is what a huge profit. So trading with this particular strategy, that is trading future on crypto exchange with this particular strategy, will keep generating a lot of profit for you. All right, now let's proceed. Look at the correction again. The red line crosses the blue line of CCI indicator, indicating a clear sell signal. Do you understand? All right, now you click here you need to make your entry where the correction occur. Right, you need to make your entry where the correction occur. This is the point where the CCI proxy, this red line crosses the blue line of CCI. So that is point where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Right, so this is the point where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. And then on my screen now you see this is what your profit. Now this particular strategy is very lucrative and is very profitable. I have been using it over and over and keep on generating profits. I decided to share it with you guys. Right, so this is as easy as that. This is all you need to do and record massive profits. Like as I said, for those trading cryptocurrency, I trade three major cryptocurrency. I trade BTC, I trade Ethereum, and I trade Binance Coin. These are what the three cryptocurrencies I trade, and I use different strategies to trade them both on brokers and worked on crypto exchanges. Alright, for this one, for this particular one, this is a Binance Coin USD. So for brokers, this is the strategy I use. I also use this strategy for spot trading, that is a crypto spot trading. I also use it for crypto future trading. Do you understand? So the analysis are the same. Do you understand? So this is what highly profitable. Do you understand? So if you are new in forex trading, you start from brokers or spot trading. Don't go for future unless you are grounded in future trading. Do you understand? Alright, don't forget this is OPTIMER FX where profitable strategies are shared. Alright, now let's proceed. Let's proceed. As you can see, this is what a huge profit. Do you understand? This is what a huge profit. Now this is another excellent profitable entry for you. Now this is the point where the red line crosses the blue line of CCI indicator. So you need to do what? Make your buy entry at this point. This is what a clear buy entry. Do you understand? Alright, like as I said, I have been using this over and over and it keeps generating a lot of profit. So I decided to share it with you guys. Alright, so this is the point where the correction occur. You need to do what? Make your buy entry at this point. To understand, this is the point where you need to do what? Make a buy entry, and this is a huge profit. To understand, like as I said, your stop loss should be at the previous when you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. To understand, so this is a huge profit for you. So guys, this particular strategy pays a lot and I've been using it over and over. It keeps generating a lot of profit. Like as I said, I use it to trade on brokers like this particular one. I also use it to trade spots, that's crypto spot trading. I also use it to trade Binance Coin, that is future trading on crypto exchanges. Do you understand? So you can make use of this particular strategy and trade it on different exchange, that is future trading, spot trading, and also on broker like this particular one. So this particular strategy has been generating a lot of profits. So make use of this and your trading history will change forever. Right, so this is the point where the correction occur. You need to do what? Make your sell entry. Do you understand? So this is what a huge profit for you. Like as I said, when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. So this is where your stop loss need to be. Alright, so this is as easy as that. Is what highly profitable. This is one of my premium strategies and I'm sharing it with you guys right now. Right, so you keep on generating profit with this. Like I said, you keep on what? Generating a lot of profit. So that is it. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX. What profitable strategies are shared. Now let me show you how to set up the indicators. Let me show you how to set up what? The indicator. Like as I said, you need only one indicator, CCI indicator. To understand? So you click on F, click on CCI, that is a commodity channel index indicator. So on my screen now, this is the period for the period is what? 200. Apply to close, style for pixel. Do you understand? The level is 0. Do you understand? So this is all you need to do, what? To set up the commodity channel index indicator and record massive profits. Do you understand? Right, So that is all you need. Like as I said, you can make use of, you can do your analysis on meta. If you are trading future, if you are trading Binance Coin future, you can carry out your analysis with this strategy. Do you understand? Carry out the analysis on MetaTrader 5 and go to crypto exchange like Binance and do what? Execute your trade there. Alright, that is it. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history for good. Thank you.